So I'll just shout, ew. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Harleigh if you're new here, and in this video I am gonna try and just get some things done. In my last video and across maybe the last 1 to 2 weeks, I've been talking to you guys and myself about a mid-year reset, about, you know, moving into the second half of 2021 as if it was a brand new year, setting some new goals, getting intentional, just, you know, positive things. And I feel like I can't do that without tackling a few things that I just need to leave in the first half of 2021. So a lot of those are just home maintenance things, really boring, life admin-y kind of things. And today I'm gonna deal with those. This has coincided with the end of the month for me. For historical context and time placement, when this video is watched long into the future, yesterday is the day that Matt Hancock was caught cheating on his wife. So yeah, just so we know a time period of life that we're at. I think it's important to, you know, punctuate the pandemic with these life moments. It's the end of the month, so that means I need groceries. I need groceries real bad. So getting groceries is gonna be the first thing I do today. Obviously that is not something I'm leaving in the first half of 2021. I will be getting groceries for the rest of my life. While I'm in the supermarket, I need to grab some descaler. I need to descale my shower head. Like, every day I'm in there and I'm like, oh, looking at it like, oh, I should probably descale you, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it today. Gonna get descaler to do that. I'm also gonna descale the kettle. I'm gonna clean the dishwasher and the washing machine. I also wanna clean the bottom of my oven. Annoying little bits of grease and things and just stuff is in the bottom of my oven. That has gotta go. My under the sink situation is getting a bit manic, and because I've started ordering my washing tabs and my dishwasher tablets from a company called Small, like small things, but of how they're packaged and how the packaging fits into my real life, it basically is just not working out, like, as you can see. So I just want to get 2 little containers to keep my laundry and my dishwasher tabs in. The day is not young. It's actually quite late in the afternoon. So I want to get cracking, get to the shops before they close. I don't know what time the range shuts, but that's where I want to get the boxes from. So we're probably going to head to the range first. Lo and behold, another thing that just needs doing today. Ooh, okay. If you don't follow, I don't even know his name, but No Hun on Insta and TikTok, particularly on TikTok, you will know, or if you don't follow him, you won't know about the range in B&M and the magical powers that the range in B&M have.
B&M discount chain doubles its profits. Yeah, I'm not fucking surprised the amount of fucking money I've spent in there.
And it basically means that if you go into the range or B&M for something, you will leave with 15 other things. So I went into the range to get the containers, which I got. I happened to spot descaler in there, so I did get descaler liquid. This is perfect for putting my shower heads in. And then I also saw this descaler remover, which I actually want to use on my taps. Like, there's a tap lime scale issue that I have going on, so I think I'm going to try this because that's kind of like what it's for. But then I saw this, which also had a nice little link to it, because I see white vinegar spray being used on TikTok all the time for cleaning, and I think this is going to be really good for cleaning out my actual washing machine door, like around the rubber and stuff, because yeah, I need to get in there. And then also, despite having washing machine cleaner at home, like the one that you run through the system, I also needed to buy this Dettol washing machine cleaner because the range, like, just literally because the power of the range. Okay, so I severely underestimated how long that was gonna take me. And I am absolutely starving. Putting the oven on right now. Bought myself an oven pizza, so I'm gonna whack that in. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna do maybe, I have to unload the dishwasher so then I can do the dishwasher salts, the dishwasher rinse aid, and run the cleaner through the dishwasher. Maybe my pizza might be done by then and I can just sort out which chemicals go where. Let's see. Right, some grocery highlights. I picked up a Carex refill. So this is the, I think 50% less plastic, yeah. Oh, 85% less plastic model of basically refilling your hand soap. Obviously, we've been getting through a hell of a lot of that in the pandemic. I love the fact that we're coming into like my favorite fruit and veg seasons because it makes them so much more affordable. I bought cherries at some point last year, maybe because of restrictions in terms of getting products, they were £5. I didn't realize until I got to the till that they were £5, but they were £5. These were, I think, 84p. So grabbed cherries for the win. A job to add to our list of things to do that I forgot I needed to do, but I definitely need to do and didn't remember until I was inspired in Tesco, is I have 2 pictures that need to be put up in my living room. Well, one in my living room, one in my bedroom. And when my dad came over to basically put them up, because of where they are in the wall and the wiring and stuff behind, he was like, try the command strips. Add that to our list of things that just need to get done. Right, let me fix that, get this in the oven, get this food inside me, and maybe then I'll be able to focus on the things that need to get done. Put my spring onions and my asparagus in little jars and put some water in them, and it helps them keep fresher for longer. I already put the dishwasher on, so the like sound of the ocean that's coming from behind me is probably a little bit too loud. So I'll just shout. I'm gonna clean the inside of the washing machine by hand first, particularly in and around the like rubbery door ring thing. I don't know how embarrassing this is gonna be, so I might not show it to you. I bought some new cloths just now, so I'm actually just gonna use the old dishcloth to do this, so that if it gets really nasty, I can just throw it away. Oh, this is hard. Okay, I can't show you even if I wanted to. It's just like, oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. You can see that, right? That's disgusting. Okay. Ooh, that is lifted right off. I want to show you. This has obviously been in vinegar as long as it's taken me to like get this bucket, and now that like grime, you can literally just rub it off with your hands. Ew. And now I'm gonna deal with the drawer, which has got a little bit grimy too, but this washing machine's annoying because I can't actually take out the whole drawer. I can take out this segment, which as you can see, needs a good clean. Okay, so next we are in my bathroom and we are trying the Kill Rock. I'm really in here like I'm doing a beauty tutorial with a lime scale remover, but this is the adulting, isn't it? Right, okay. We're using the Kill Rock gel. I would use my other hand like a proper beauty guru, but it's holding the camera. I have one glove on and one glove off so that I can do stuff with the camera. And this has a brush like in the cap, and it basically says to just brush on the stain surface, leave for a few minutes, fully rinse away and dry. For heavy stains, repeat the process. I believe these are heavy stains. This. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Okay, so the tap doesn't really seem much better to me. I mean, I'll check the actual clips when I'm editing this and see if it if it really is any better. Like some bits are coming off, but not really. Quite an improvement. Like all the lime scale that was around the edge is gone, like anything visible, but you can still see that, well, you could if this camera would focus, that like these outer holes are quite clogged. I'm not sure if I should try it now. I'm gonna like reconnect it and then see how many are like working, and then maybe I'll soak it overnight and give it another go tomorrow. Okay, so what happened was I fell asleep. I absolutely fell asleep. So we've got 3 things left to do today to just get things done. To descale the kettle because I didn't do that last night, to clean the little crumbs at the bottom of the oven, and also to command strip the piece of art I want here and one in my bedroom. We might just tackle it in that order and just get these things done. I shut the power off. This corner here, above the armpit of my sofa that we're all too familiar with, is where I wanted to put this. We're gonna try and use these boys. Oh no, this is the wrong kind of frame for this. This is like, these are flat and you just stick it to the thing, but there's no edge. I need like a hook one command strip and then hook the hook command strip to the hook. Ah! Should I go and buy the right command strip? Okay, so the other one was this frame from Decenio, which I have to, innit? I have to go and get it, or else the thing is not done. And these have literally, that Etsy print, I'm pretty sure I bought it in 2020. Okay, these are the command strips that are literally designed for this kind of hooking in situation. Let this work. What was it? Wait. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's it. Okay, so this one is not working. It's too shallow to work with the frame that I have. I think, as you can see, it like doesn't stick out far enough off the frame. I could hang it from the top of the frame and like make it straight and everything, but I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna try and find a solution for this, but it might not be in this video. So that is the end of me getting things done because I'm gonna drag this into 3 days of sorting out annoying niggly things in this place. I'm not gonna do that. That's the end of this one. If I do manage to sort this out, I will put clips of the solution on the end of this video, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you